Alarm goes off at 4:45. Roll out of bed, rub the sleep from my eyes. Throw on a shirt and some jeans.
Now what you done? You definitely have, haven't you? You dropped about 10 mil again.
I lost the 10 mil. Shouldn't even be using 10 mil.
Hello, how you doing, alright?
I was going to say I lost the washing, but I've just found it.
Well, at least you found it. So what's going on here?
Strip last and pay.
Oh, yeah.
Long time coming.
Well, we've got a few oil leaks at the front to do, haven't we? Oh, let's have a look around, shall we?
This will be 2 for box here. Bring that box. Do you want to all... Yeah, work. Do you want to label or anything? Or... Nah, I'll work that out when I come back to it. You will.
What? Me again?
The man that come all the way to my old house and rewired it on a Sunday afternoon for me.
I've still got a video for that. It's this one.
It was this tractor. Was it?
So you think manifold was loose?
Yes. It was only just a little nail to undone. Also, you know you've got
That one right there. It's a hell of a ball spot. Look at this, look.
rub it for good luck.
Hang on a minute. There you go. It's already at your bolt spot, alright?
Turkey air.
After all that, I didn't get any footage of you taking it off.
Do it again. Smurf, college
do it
time,
again.
back on. Safety squid.
What the fuck happened to it? Exploded? Are you ready for this lift?
Already. I don't know if Anna's going to take the weight of the T20.
The mighty T20.
Mighty T20.
Well, let's get out of this so we get cleaned up, because look at the friggin' mess you've made.
Would be me without mess.
Tell me about it. Go on, get that telehandler.
Alarm goes off at 4:45. Roll out of bed, rub the sleep from my eyes. Throw on a shirt and some jeans.